Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to delete messages from your Facebook Messenger on your mobile phone and through your web browser. Facebook Messenger is a messaging app and platform built by Facebook. Let's look at the Messenger app on your mobile phone first. So let's open up the app and let's find a message to delete. You can delete one message at a time, or you can delete the whole chat with the person. To delete a message within the chat, select the person you want to delete the message from. Then you need to long press on a message and more controls will appear at the bottom. Go ahead and press remove. Then Facebook will ask you to confirm that twice. Press remove 2 more times and then your message will be deleted. To delete the whole conversation with the person, you need to go back to the main page of your Messenger app and long press on the account you would like to delete. A menu will appear on your screen. You then need to press delete. This would delete your conversation between that person forever. Go ahead and press delete again. This is also very easy on the web version of Messenger. Let's go ahead and go to messenger.com and make sure you're logged in to your account. To delete one message within the chat, you need to select the person you would like to delete the message from. Then hover your mouse over the message and then click on the 3 dots that will appear on the left of the message. Then press remove twice and then your message will be deleted. To delete the whole conversation with one person, you need to hover your mouse over the person's conversation and then tap on the 3 dots. Then tap on delete. And that is how to delete messages from your Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.